Hey you, and welcome. My name is Mr. Berry, and in this whole video I'm going to be looking at a program that can go in and remove or even reveal passwords that are inside of Excel spreadsheets. You know the situation where you have a spreadsheet that you worked on in the past. It's been sitting in a folder for the last couple years and you've forgotten the password to open it up, to edit or change some of the information that's in it. Well, this app or program will actually go in, reveal, or even remove that password entirely. So let's take a look at this program, you and I. Come on. Hey, here we are in my Windows desktop. Now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to open up my Excel worksheet there, but I haven't opened up in a long time and I think it might have a password. So let's open it up. There we go. It's asking for a password. Now it's been years since I've opened up this worksheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just guess at the password here, and I think it might be this. Let's see if it is. Oh, it's not. Okay, so I don't want to spend a lot of time just guessing at, all the different passwords that I might use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this app that can remove or even recover an Excel password here. Now the app, I'm going to have a link to it down in my description so you can find it that way, and I'm recommending it because it actually is quite useful, and I've used it already and it's 100% successful. So let's open it up, click on yes. Alright, now here's the program now. And you notice that you have two choices. You can either recover an Excel password or you can remove it altogether. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first option there because I have other worksheets and workbooks that are probably using the same old password. So let's choose that option. And notice here in the middle it has a plus symbol. And what they want you to do is they want you to take your worksheet or workbook and then just drag it and drop it right into place. There we go. Now you notice there are different choices for finding the password as they show there. I'm just going to choose the very first one there and then click on recover and then continue. And it was quick. Wow, it found it. It found that it is the word abacus, and that is one of my older passwords that I used to use back in the day for all of my worksheets and workbooks. So what I'm going to do is notice that you have the option to copy that password, because sometimes you might have a very long, complicated password. This one's not too bad, but I'm going to click on copy anyway, just make sure everything works. I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to close off this program, and now I'm going to attempt to work with my worksheet again here. So let's open this up. It's asking for the password. This time, instead of keying it in, I'm simply going to right click and then choose or select paste. And now I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to paste it into this one too. And click on OK. Hey, there's my old work. That is my old budget from years ago. So this actually works. And yes, I've been using it already for quite a while, and have been really surprised by how successful it is. Even if you have a very long, complicated password, it is able to recover it for you. And you notice on that second option that you had there in the app, it does have the option to remove any password. So if for some reason you need to remove it, it will do that too. Now just to let you know that Excel worksheets and workbooks, they have two different types of locked passwords. One is the password just to open and view, and the second one is to actually edit and make changes to it. Now, the amazing thing with this software is it actually recovers the passwords. So even if it's a higher encrypted one where it's blocking you from editing the worksheet or workbook, it can recover those as well. So there you have it. Hey, so now you know how to remove or even recover lost passwords with Excel spreadsheets and workbooks. So why did I make this video? Well, because of this comment here from one of my subscribers. He asked, hey, how do I find or recover my password if I forgot it from one of my workbooks or worksheets? So hey, their answer is in the video. Hey, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below because I love to read your comments, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.